Hi, this is Carol Stiles from healthykitchens.com. Again, we're going to show our whips doing something really hard this time. We're actually going to whip chicken breasts. Now, I need some chicken enchiladas tonight, and I have already cooked up in the Kunrakan pressure cooker some chicken breasts. I've got 3 of them here, and I'm going to transfer them to my Bosch bowl with the whips in it. Now, there's 2 things you need to be able to do this. Number 1, your chicken needs to be cooked. And number 2 is it needs to still be at least warm to hot. You can't do this with cold chicken. And what we're going to do is put the lid on, and we're going to jog it on the M a few times with the whips. And what that does is that cuts up the chicken into shredded chicken. And you can turn it on for about 10 seconds, and that will really complete the jog. Now, I like to do this with a lot of different things. I can do a gallon of mashed potatoes at one time, for example, with this particular bowl. And again, we use the jog switch because if you turn it on and let it go too long, the potatoes will turn to a starch. You get mashed potatoes instead of mashed potatoes. But another thing that's really good for is mixing meatloaf, pulled pork, if you've done your pork properly. But you can see what a wonderful job that has done of shredding that chicken ready for my enchiladas. Only because we are using this really high-powered machine with these really good whips. Well, thanks again for watching our whipping chicken demonstration. Again, if you're interested in getting a Bosch Universal Plus, you can contact us on our website at healthykitchens.com or call our 1-800 number 1-888-735-1044. Thanks again.